Jackson found the real world, and Doug Stone is in a pine box on a slow train bound for Georgia. A whistle blow and then a quick stop. Travis Tritt needs help to hold on. Your guess is good as mine. The judge sang about love is alive. Ooh, they sound so fine, those country singers. Sing songs what life is really about. Those country singers, they really pour those lyrics out. Those country singers, some sing fast, some sing slow. Those country singers sound so good on my radio. Charlie Pride kissed an angel good morning. Al down and said bring it on home. Conway Twitty couldn't see her leaving, but now you see she's gone. Paycheck, take this job and shove it. Alabama want a 40-hour week. Tammy Wynette summed it all up. D-I-V-O-R-C-E. Those country singers sing songs what life is really about. Those country singers, they really pour those lyrics out. Those country singers, some sing fast, some sing slow. Those country singers sound so good on my radio. Legends like Hank Williams, Hank Jr. is next of kin. There's superstar Randy Travis, standing tall are the highwaymen. Greats like Kenny Rogers, Dolly Parton and Ronnie Milsap. I say wake up MC Hammer, you know country folk know how to rap. Those country singers sing songs what life is really about. Those country singers, they really pour those lyrics out. Those country singers, some sing fast, some sing slow. Those country singers sound so good on my radio. Garth and Trisha got smart after they listened to their heart.